A very warm welcome from Arjiti Creations. Today we are starting the numbers which we will be designing according to Madhubani calligraphy. So let us start. Today we are going to do the number 1. Now when I was drawing this number 1, I have drawn it with a height of about 8 centimeter and a width of 1.5 centimeter. I am going to design it using a Micron 0.1. Now, the trend that I'm going to keep in this Madhubani number series is that there will be a small panel which I'm drawing now. That panel I will keep consistent across all the numbers so that when we add these numbers to our nameplate, they have a consistency. You can do this pattern when you are also doing the alphabets to add more consistency. Now I'm using a very thin tip Micron 0.1 here because I wanted my numbers to be very delicately done. You can think of doing it with 0.3 as well. I'm using the bird pattern here, which is according to Madhubani style, and I will then be coloring it using the brush pens. So there are a lot of elements. What I'll be doing in this series is I will have different elements for different numbers so that you have about 10 different types of templates available before you to design all your numbers more beautifully. You can also use a combination, a mix and match of these templates to have more varieties available for designing the numbers. Now even this flower pattern which I made at the bottom, I would be keeping that consistent across all the numbers so that there is a consistency when we are doing the number plate. Now you can see the number 1 is ready. Now we are going to do the coloring of this number 1 using brush pens. So there was a lot of query about the pens that I'm using for coloring. I am using the Doms brush pens here. You can even use sketch pens or any other forms of colored pens which are available to you. Now when in this series, when I'm doing the lower bottom pattern, I am keeping it consistent. So the colors that I'm going to use for the lower bottom pattern are going to be same across numbers. Though the other colors that I'll be using in the numbers will keep changing from number 1 to 2 to 3, but this lower part that I'll be doing, that will have a consistent color across numbers. Now you can see that the number 1 is ready. Stay tuned for many more videos on numbers. I hope you have checked out the Fusion nameplates that we have done till now. Do like our channel and subscribe to our video, and don't forget to press the notification button, that is the bell button, so that you are notified as soon as we put a new video. Thanks, and thanks for watching.